Welcome to NYCU EMI support video series for non-native English university students. I'm Tiffany. Connected speech is how people naturally talk with words flowing together smoothly. Native speakers naturally say some words louder and stressed, and some short, weak, or even dropped. In this video, we'll give you tips on how to prepare for presentations on stage and how to make your speaking more connected and natural through effective practice. The video will give you some tips to prepare for a formal presentation, then we'll show a practice demo. Let's dive in! When it comes to presentations, most people know the basic steps of preparation, like analyzing your audience, keeping the topic relevant and interesting, narrowing the topic to fit the time limit, making an outline, gathering information, and organizing everything into a logical and easy to understand structure. Of course, delivery skills are important as well, such as posture, eye contact, gestures, volume of voice, rate of speech, enthusiasm, and overall appearance. For non-native speakers that are making a speech in English, the extra challenge is using the language itself. So, today, we focus on giving you one tip that can help you feel more confident using English in a formal presentation. The tip is simple. Write a script. Yep, that's it. Just spend that extra time to write what you plan to say, either in an outline or even word for word. It's very time-consuming, yes, but putting in that extra work allows you to check your grammar errors, choose better words, and most importantly, practice the pronunciation for connected speech. So here's what you can do if you choose the script route. Number 1. Type a draft based on your outline. Look at your outline, do some research, and just type away. There's no easy way to start this other than just open your document and start typing. Once you start typing, you'll have some ideas and hopefully you'll start a good flow to build the content. Number 2. Get help with the script. Peers or mentors that are native or fluent English speakers can help with your script. They can provide feedback on vocabulary, grammar, and structure. NYCU has 25-minute one-on-one writing consultations completely free for students. If you can't find someone, AI tools such as ChatGPT can be the alternative. Number 3. Work on pronunciation. Start by having a peer or mentor that is a fluent English speaker to audio record the script for you. If you can't find someone, use AI tools or software as an alternative to help pronounce the script. Many big companies like Google, Amazon, IBM, and Microsoft have joined the text-to-speech technology game, and it's evolving, so look into these if you need an AI to help. Once you have an audio file, start by highlighting challenging content words. Start with the intelligibility basics, phonics, syllable numbers, and syllable stress. Then, underline linking and function-reduced words. Once you finish identifying the challenging sounds in the script, you will move on to number 4. Practice. You can read aloud focusing on the pronunciation challenges, or record yourself so you can identify areas that need adjustments. And just keep repeating the practice. Practice until you feel confident.
In the last part, I'll show a practice demo using a college student's self-introduction for an internship and to make it a little fun. I'm going to use Snoop Dogg's voiceover from Speechify to show you how advanced technology is now. First, you're going to type the script, then get some help with the script to make sure it's a good final draft. Now that I have a script, I'm going to use Speechify to get an audio file. This time, I'll choose a female voice named Carly, but if Snoop Dogg is the vibe you're looking for, sure, why not?
Hi! My name is ABC. I'm interviewing for the intern position here. I'm currently in my junior year at National Yang Ming Chiao Tung University, pursuing a degree in marketing. I'm a hard-working student dedicated to excel in this field. I currently have a high GPA of 3.8 and won the Academic of Excellence Award last semester. I currently have advanced skills in digital marketing, content creation, and public relations. Furthermore, I'm a team player. I'm the public relations officer of the dance club and helped organize a competition which attracted 23 contestants and more than 100 attendees, 30% more than the previous organizers. I believe that my academic journey and extracurricular experiences instilled in me the ability to adapt to new challenges and to collaborate effectively with others. Thank you for considering my application.
Obviously, some parts are going to sound a little strange, but it's relatively close already. Next, I'm going to highlight the pronunciation challenges. Yellow means content words. Numbers means different syllable numbers. Caps means syllables. Underline is linking. Blue are reduced or drop function words. What you need to do is come up with some kind of color coding or system to make it make sense to you. Lastly, let's do the practice together. You'll hear a sample of Tiffany reading along with Carly. You try to join too and see if you can connect all the words and match their speed. Let's get into it.
Hi, my name is ABC. I'm interviewing for the intern position here. I'm currently in my junior year at National Yang Ming Chao Tung University, pursuing a degree in marketing. I'm a hard-working student dedicated to excel in this field. I currently have a high GPA of 3.8 and won the Academic of Excellence Award last semester. I currently have advanced skills in digital marketing, content creation, and public relations. Furthermore, I'm a team player. I'm the public relations officer of the dance club and helped organize a competition which attracted 23 contestants and more than 100 attendees, 30% more than the previous organizers. I believe that my academic journey and extracurricular experiences instilled in me the ability to adapt to new challenges and to collaborate effectively with others. Thank you for considering my application.
Good work! Now try these tips next time you have an important presentation. Remember that preparing and practicing does make a difference. Now scan the QR code or click the link in the description below to do the practice quiz. See you next time!